Today we are reviewing Motorola Moto G Play 2023. Motorola Moto G Play has a display size of 6.5 inches and has a display type of IPS LCD. The resolution on this phone is 720p with a 270 ppi with the 20:9 body to screen ratio. The front-facing camera has 5 megapixel. The internal storage has 32 gigabyte with micro SD expansion available. There is no wireless charging available on this phone. For security options, you have only fingerprint on the rear. The rear camera megapixel on this phone is 16 megapixel with 2 megapixel depth sensing and 2 megapixel macro. There are both portrait mode for front and rear camera and has 3 gigabyte in RAM. The processor on this phone is MediaTek Helio G37. The maximum video recording resolution on this phone is 1080p rear and 1080p front. The battery capacity on this phone is 5000 mAh with the software of Android 12. This was review for Motorola Moto G Play 2023.